Good afternoon, all. We'll start our regular questionnaire sections on Indian geography. Since we know this is one important part in prelims, and also the questions are variedly asked. They are mainly based on your conceptual base. So let's start this one. First question is here: which of the following where the Loktak Lake is situated? Loktak Lake, it is called as your Loktak Lake. Kerala, Uttaranchal, Manipur, and Rajasthan. Kerala, Uttaranchal, Manipur, and Rajasthan. Here your answer is your C, Manipur. Then, which of the following water bodies separate Andaman from the Nicobar? Andaman from Nicobar, it is 10 degree, 11 degree channel. Gulf of Mannar, 10 degree channel, and your Andaman Sea. Andaman from Nicobar. Andaman from Nicobar separated by your 10 degree channel, that is C. Next, after every two questions, we'll discuss the answer as we do always. First is that your Loktak Lake is the largest freshwater sweet lake in Northeast India. Northeast India, Loktak Lake is the last freshwater lake, also called the only floating lake in the world due to the floating fum days. Floating fum days is there. There is heterogeneous mass of vegetation, soil, and organic matters at various stages of decomposition. This is at the various stages of decomposition on it. It is located near Moirang in the Manipur state. Moirang in the Manipur state, India. The etymology of Loktak is Lok means stream and Tak means the end. Stream at the end. The Kebul Lamjau National Park. Here it is the Kebul Lamjau National Park, which is the last natural refuge of the endangered Sangai. Or the Manipur brown antlered deer, particularly. That is called your Manipur brown antlered deer. And the three subspecies of this deer covering an area. Particularly, you can say the fum days. It mane in the Odia jota हमको दौड़ गाड़िया particularly. So it is in particularly thick vegetation. Thick vegetations, particularly we can say that one. Fum days is basically in thick vegetation. Thick vegetation. The 10 degree channel is a channel that separates the Little Andaman and Car Nicobar in the Bay of Bengal. Little Andaman and Car Nicobar from the Bay of Bengal. Particularly, जब मुझे Andaman Nicobar बनेली. This is Andaman and this is Nicobar, and this is 10-degree channel. And this is your Little Andamans. This channel is 150 km wide. It is said that when western trade winds was used by Arabians, they crossed through this channel in 15th century, particularly. These two set of islands, they together form an island. Indian Union territory is together form the Indian Union territory of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Together the form the Indian Union territory of Andaman and Nicobar. This is your 10-degree channel जोटा कि तुमरा separate करछे Andamans और Nicobar. Next देखिए, which of the following river has the largest river basin in India? Largest river basin के India रे? The Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra and Krishna. Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra and Krishna. Largest river basin. It is your Ganga, B for Bombay. In which among the following states or UT is located Banihal Pass? State of UT re Banihal Pass is located your Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Sikkim. Banihal Pass is located it is your J&K Indian Territory. A. J&K Indian Territory. Your Banihal Pass is located. Ganga River Basin. The Ganga River Basin is the largest one in India. Okay, the Ganga originates from Gangotri, situated in the glaciers of Bhagirathi. The Ganga originates from the Gangotri glacier, situated in the Bhagirathi. The Ganga basin is a part of Ganges, particularly the Ganga basin is the part of Ganges. The Ganga basin is a part of Ganges. Brahmaputra basin is near about 10,86,000 square kilometers in Tibet, Nepal, India and Bangladesh. To the north, the Himalaya or the lower parallel ranges beyond from the Ganga Brahmaputra divide. Right? To the north, the Himalayas or the lower parallel ranges beyond the Ganga Brahmaputra divide. On the west, the Ganga basin borders the Indus basin and then the Aravalli Rees. Banihal Pass is a mountain pass across the Pir Panjal range. Banihal Pass is a mountain pass across your Pir Panjal range at 2832 meter maximum elevation. This mountain range connects the Kashmir Valley in the Indian UT of Jammu and Kashmir. And this mountain range connects the Kashmir Valley, particularly in the Indian UT of Jammu and Kashmir, to the outer Himalaya and the plains to the south. एंड यही बनिहाल पास जो तुम कनेक्ट हो पर्टिकुलरली श्रीनगर एंड ले श्रीनगर आई कैन से द श्रीनगर एंड ले is connected by the Banihal Pass. Because of the Banihal Pass, your Srinagar and Leh is connected. Next question. Which one of the following was the first person to scale Mount Everest without supplemental oxygen? Was the first person to scale Mount Everest without supplemental oxygen? There is Terence Bannon, Duncan Castle, Reynold Messner, and Jean Troilet. The answer is your C, that is Reynold Messner. It is your Reynold Messner. Then next question, through which of the following states Chambal River does not flow? Chambal River का भीतर दिख जाओ उत्तर प्रदेश, मध्य प्रदेश, राजस्थान एंड गुजरात. यूपी, एमपी, राजस्थान एंड गुजरात. Chambal River does not flow. Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Your answer is it is Gujarat. Right? D for Delhi, Gujarat. Reynold Messner, German, is the first person to scale Mount Everest without supplemental oxygen along Peter Harbor in 1978. He is also the first climber to ascend all 14 peaks over 8,000 meters. Basically, Reynold Messner is a German, basically. He is also the first climber to ascend all peaks over 8,000 meters, basically. Of the sea level, including the Mount Everest, particularly. Reynold Messner is basically an German. Basically, he is basically an German. Next, the Chambal River is a tributary of Yamuna. Yamuna रे जदि हमें tributary देखिए, Chambal is the main chief tributary. We can say Chambal is the chief tributary of Yamuna River. It flows through the northeastern through Madhya Pradesh. It flows through the northeastern states of Madhya Pradesh, running for a time of Rajasthan, running for a time at Rajasthan, then forming a boundary between Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Rajasthan और MP भितर boundary बनोजी before turning southeast to join Yamuna in Uttar Pradesh. Joining Yamuna in Uttar Pradesh particularly. Next, Sirhind Canal is located on which river? Sirhind Canal जैसे देखिए, Sirhind Canal is located on Satluj, Ravi, Bees, none of the above. It is your Satluj. Sirhind Canal is located in your Satluj river. The Chamera Dam is located in which state? Chamera Dam is located in Puducherry, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh and Jharkhand. Puducherry, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh and your Jharkhand. Chamera Dam. Chamera Dam is in your Himachal Pradesh. Sirhind Canal is a large irrigation canal. Sirhind Canal is a large irrigation canal that carries water from the Satluj River in the Punjab state. That carries water from the Satluj River in the Punjab state. In India, it is one of the oldest and biggest irrigation works. Oldest and biggest irrigation works in the Indus River system. Oldest and biggest irrigation works in the Indus River system and was inaugurated in 1882 AD. In the 1882. The canal begins at Ropar headworks near Ropar city in Roopnagar district of Punjab. The canal begins at Ropar headworks. Ropar headworks near Ropar city in Roopnagar district of Punjab. In Roopnagar district of Punjab basically. Then the Chamera Dam is located near the town of Dalhousie. Near the town of Dalhousie, Chamera Dam is located in the Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh. The Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh. Chamera Dam is located. Chamba is also a particular hill station. Chamba hill station is there. It impounds the river Ravi and supports the hydroelectric project in the region. It impounds the river Ravi and supports the HEP production, supports the HEP region. The reservoir of the dam is your Chamera Lake. The reservoir of the region is your Chamera Lake. The unique feature of the region is the fluctuating day and night temperature. The unique feature of the region is fluctuating day and night temperature. The temperature during the day, during the day near the dam rises up to 35 degrees Celsius and drops to a minimum 18 to 20 degree centigrade at night. 18 to 20 degree at night. The water level in the Chamera lake rises to a maximum at 763 meters. Water level Chamera lake rises to 763 meters particularly, while the minimum water level is 747 meter. The minimum maintain with 747, it is 763 meter. और जो चमेरा डैम जो हिमाचल प्रदेश रे इट भी दिस इज ऑन द रबी ऊपर है रबी रिवर ऊपर है रबी रिवर ऊपर योर चमेरा डैम इज देयर. रबी रिवर पर योर चमेरा डैम इज देयर. अच्छा मैं गोटे जिन कहबी कि चमेरा डैम जो अच्छी मेनली है ना जदि हमें देखा इंडस सतलुज चेनाब रबी बीज सतलुज. This is the correct chronological order. इंडस सतलुज सॉरी सतलुज इंडस चेनाब रबी बीज है आउ झेलम है झेलम. The correct order Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Bees and Satluj basically. Correct order देखिए this is the correct order. Your Indus, Chenab, Ravi, Bees and Satluj particularly. जदि आम देखा कि इंडस ट्राब्यूटरी विषय तो इंडस ट्राब्यूटरी मेनली जदि देखा आम इट इज माने राइट बैंक ट्राब्यूटरीज ऑफ इंडस. इट इज द राइट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ इंडस. These are they all tends to they all mix at Mithankot in Pakistan. Mithankot Pakistan pakare saman samaste mission and they all drain to your at the Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea pakare saman samaste mission. Then we देखिए the which of the following river is known as Padma when it enters the Bangladesh? Which of the following river is known as Padma when it enters the Bangladesh? Brahmaputra, Ganga, Tista and Mahanadi river. Known as Padma when it enters the Bangladesh. Known as Padma when it enters Bangladesh. It is the Ganga. Right? It is the Ganga river when it is known as Padma when it enters the Bangladesh. Next, which of the following countries has world's 25% world 25% thorium reserves maximum? India, China, US, Russia. It is A. It is 25% thorium reserves, India. The Padma or the Podda, Bengal is a major river in the Bangladesh and India. Major river in the India and Bangladesh. Podda or Padma. It is the downstream of Garia. It is the main distributaries of the Ganga. Padma is the main distributary of the Ganga. Flowing generally southeast. It is flowing generally southeast for 120 kilometers to its confluence with Meghna river near the Bay of Bengal. Confluence with the Meghna river. Meghna river sangre tar confluence achi. The having confluence with the Meghna river. The city, your Rajshahi situated near the banks of the river. Rajshahi situated near the river. The structure diagram clarity is your. This is your Ganga. Brahmaputra. This particular region is a Bangladesh. This particularly it is WBCS. It is your Meghna. India has modest uranium reserves. Uranium reserves. India has modest uranium reserves where it has one of the largest thorium reserves in the world. Uranium कम अच्छी but यदि हमें thorium reserves से देखिए India है one of the largest thorium reserves. Largest thorium reserves in the world. Thorium deposit. Thorium, despite its greater abundance in nature, thorium, despite its greater abundance in nature, thorium, despite its greater abundance in nature and a number of superior characteristics. Thorium जो दिखा greater abundance in nature and number of superior characteristics. The fertile thorium 232. यदि हम देखिए तो fertile thorium 232 has to be converted into uranium 233. Thorium 232 has been converted to uranium 233. First, it is used in nuclear reactor. First, it is used in fertile thorium 232 has to be converted into uranium 233. First, it is used in a nuclear reactor. Deposit dominated in the states. Deposit dominated in the states, particularly Jharkhand, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. This is your West Bengal, the Jharkhand, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and this is Tamil Nadu and Kerala. These are the deposits of dominated states: Jharkhand, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. यूरेनियम जदि देखिबो कि जदि हम कंपेयर करिबा यूरेनियम और थोरियम रो हला थोरियम आल्सो व्हाई थोरियम इज ए गुड सब्स्टिट्यूट थोरियम जदि देखिबा थोरियम रो स्पेसिफिक हिट हला थोरियम स्पेसिफिक हिट इज गुड हला थोरियम रो स्पेसिफिक हिट हला इज मोर देन the specific heat of thorium is more than your uranium, and even if it is since it is plentifully available, it is good, particularly it is good for plentifully available, it is good for your it is good for your nuclear power or nuclear energy production. It's good for your nuclear energy production. Next, the Arid Forces Research Institute. The Arid Forces Research Institute is located at Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, and Kerala. It is your Rajasthan. A. Arid Forces Research Institute is located at Rajasthan. Bring out the incorrectly matched pair. Bairasiul project Himachal Pradesh, Solal project Jammu and Kashmir, Tankur project Uttar Pradesh, Koil Karar project Bihar. Your if you see your incorrectly matched pair, this is your particularly Koil Karar project in Bihar. Koil Karar project जदि देखियो तबे Koil Karar project is in Jharkhand. Arid Research Institute is at Jodhpur. This research organization study mainly the climatic phenomena of Western India climatic phenomena and the country as a whole. Climatic phenomena Western India and the country as a whole particularly. Climatic phenomena of Western India and the country as a whole. Koel Khara project is in Jharkhand. South Koel River. South Koel River runs across the Jharkhand and Odisha. South Koel River runs across the Jharkhand and Odisha states in India. It originates on the Ranchi Plateau. Ranchi Plateau, this is your, this is your Chota Nagpur Plateau. It originates Ranchi Plateau, few miles east of Ranchi and co-joins Belsai Nagar and Singhbhum rivers. The Koel is fed by three streams in Jharkhand, namely that is your North Karo, and South Karo and Koyna. North Karo, South Karo and Koyna. The South Koel enters Odisha and joins the Sunk River at Bedabas near Raurkela, from where it is named as Brahmani. South Koel Sunk River and Koel, this is your Sunk River and this is your Koel. This locates at your Brahmani, where it is named your river Brahmani. Particularly the Brahmani river, Raurkela steel plant is basically on the river Brahmani. River Brahmani ru pani neki assi, particularly Mandira Dam jo bana hai, Mandira Dam is on this particularly Dita jo river is, this is on the Mandira Dam is there. Mandira Dam, particularly this is near your this is Vedavas river. Vedavas is the area. Vedavas area near your Panpos. Near your Panpos, Vedavas is there. Water comes to Indira Gandhi Canal. The water comes to Indira Gandhi Canal from the following rivers. Water comes to Indira Gandhi Canal from the following rivers: Satluj and Bees, Ravi, Chennab. Indira Gandhi Canal water kodu asche. देखिए it is your Satluj and Bees, B for Bombay. We'll discuss which among the following state in India has the highest production of large cardamom. Sikkim, Assam, Gujarat and Kerala. Right? The largest cardamom, it is A, Sikkim. Indira Gandhi Canal, originally known as your Rajasthan Canal, is the longest canal, 650. Indira Gandhi Canal is your longest canal. It is 650 kilometer particularly. 650 kilometer. Near about पूरा राजस्थान डेजर्ट ही क्रॉस करछि पंजाब रो हरिके रु बाहर it starts from Harike barrage, Harike, a few kilometers below the confluence of Satluj and Bees river in the state of Punjab and terminates in irrigation facilities in the third desert. Third desert terminate करछि in the northwest of Rajasthan state. Large cardamom is cultivated in the sub-Himalayan region of northeastern India, Nepal and Bhutan. Large cardamom जो देखिए large cardamom is cultivated in the sub-Himalayan regions of northeastern India, Nepal and Bhutan. It is grown in cold, humid conditions. Large cardamom केमती हुए? It is grown in the cold, humid condition under the shade of trees at an altitude 800 to 2000 meters above the MSL. 8000 to near the then we'll see last cardamom जोटा कि हमें कहू कि there are two cardamoms. One is your small cardamom and large cardamom. Large cardamom जोटा कि सिक्किम रे grows particularly. Next देखिए which of the following northeast states Kopoli hydroelectric project is located? Kopoli. It is your Kopoli hydroelectric project is located. Your Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Tripura and Nagaland. Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Tripura and Nagaland. Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Tripura and Nagaland is located. Particularly Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Tripura is located. Which of the following is the typical monsoon vegetations in India? Typical monsoon vegetation, it is tropical evergreen, tropical deciduous, tropical thorn and subtropical evergreen forest. Typical monsoon vegetation. Monsoon vegetation is your Yeah, typical monsoon vegetation. It is B for Bombay, tropical deciduous forest. Yeah, Kapoli hydropower project. अच्छा sorry, Kapoli hydropower project जोटा मैं कहली, it is your Assam, B for Bombay. है ना, sorry, है ना, Kapoli hydro electric project is your Assam particularly. Next we'll see Kapoli hydropower project, particularly Kapoli hydropower project. It is named Kapoli hydropower project, Kapoli river, the northeast India, that flows through the states of Meghalaya, Assam, and it is the largest south bank tributary of the Brahmaputra, Assam. It is the largest south bank tributary of Brahmaputra, Assam. Kapoli originates in the Meghalaya plateau and flows through the central Assam. Originates in the Meghalaya plateau, and flows through the central Assam and in the hilly district of Assam particularly before it confluence with the Brahmaputra. Kapoli originates in the Meghalaya plateau. Meghalaya plateau ru bahar Kapoli river and flows through the central Assam and the hill districts of Assam before its confluence with the Brahmaputra. In Assam, it drains in the district of Karbi Anglong, Dim Hasao, and Kamrup and Nagaon. The river flows a total length of 290 km. The river flows for a total length of 290 kilometers and has a catchment area of 16,420 square kilometer. It is an over of 16,420 square kilometer. It is noted for several spectacular waterfalls. It is noted for several spectacular waterfalls. It is noted for several spectacular waterfalls. Kapoli hydroelectric power project Assam ra bahut this one it is not only flows not only give power productions or electricity to Assam only. Apart from that, Kapoli also your supply your electricity generations to your Meghalaya. This is your Meghalaya. Meghalaya, and also to the states of particularly your Tripura, particularly Kapoli hydroelectric power project. One of the biggest one. Your volumetric, if you say that it is northeast सबुठु बड़ है तुम Kapoli hydropower project. Correct answer देखो, it is tropical deciduous. Tropical deciduous forest are basically possess your monsoon vegetations. तो ये हमें पूर्व क्वेश्चन कौन था हमारा, that is which of the following is a typical monsoon vegetation in India? Hello, monsoon vegetation typical. It is answer of this is tropical deciduous forest. Hello, monsoon vegetation जोटा कि basically deciduous कहा जाए. Deciduous forest are basically possess monsoon vegetation. Deciduous forest. hello, deciduous माने जब देखो deciduous माने it is your tree shed their leaves. Trees shed their leaves in order to trees shed their leaves in order to check the moisture loss. To save the moisture loss. And again the trees regenerate. I mean trees leaves regenerate during spring. Then the largest brackish water lagoon Asia is located in which of the following state? Largest brackish water lagoon: Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Odisha. Of course, it is none other than our Chilka Lake in Odisha. Next, consider the following: clover, sugarcane, alfalfa. Which among the above are plantation crops? Which among the following are the plantation crops? Clover, sugarcane, and alfalfa. The plantation crops, it is only your sugarcane only. C. Brackish water lagoon or Chilka Lake is the Odisha's largest coastal lagoon in India, which is home to number of threatened species of plants and animals. Chilka Lake is the largest lagoon in Asia and largest wintering ground for migratory birds. It supports unique life of marine, brackish, and freshwater species. It supports a unique life of marine, brackish, and freshwater species. Marine, brackish, and freshwater species. Marine, brackish, and freshwater species. चिल्का लेक जो देखियो चिल्का लेक का सराउंडिंग जदि हम देखियो चिल्का लेक चिल्का लेक सराउंड करछि. This is majorly 3 states, that is your Khordha, Puri and Ganjam. है खोर्धा पुरी और गंजाम को नहीं चिल्का वाटर चिल्का लेक मेनली ठीक अच्छे चिल्का लेक मेनली दिस चिल्का वाटर इज मेनली टचिंग द बॉर्डर्स ऑफ दिस इज वेरी इंपोर्टेंट यू ऑल हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस वन कि चिल्का लेक पर्टिकुलरली ए तीनटा है टचिंग द बॉर्डर्स ऑफ these three states है ये तीनटा states रो border को ही चिल्का लेक टच करछी next देखो a plantation is a large farm usually in tropical and subtropical country usually in the tropical and subtropical country where the crops are not that are consumed on food for grown for a sale in distant markets rather than for the local consumption such crops include cotton, coffee, tobacco, sugarcane, sisal and various oil seeds and rubber trees basically which are not consumed for food but are grown for sale in the distant markets. Such crops include cotton ho, coffee ho, tobacco ho, sugarcane, sisal and various seeds and rubber trees. Farms that produce alfalfa, lesbiteja, clover and other forage crops are usually not called plantation basically. The term plantation has usually not included in large orchards. They're not usually included in your large orchards but has included in the planting of trees for lumber. A plantation is always a monoculture basically over a large area and does not include extensive naturally occurring stands of lands that have economic value. Particularly doesn't have having economic value particularly. Next, India has been providing assistance to which among the following neighbors for strengthening and extension of embankments along the Lal Bakeya, Bagmati and Kamla rivers. Lal Bakeya, Bagmati and Kamla rivers. Bangladesh, Nepal, Pakistan and Myanmar. Bangladesh, Nepal, Pakistan and Myanmar. It is your B for Bombay, it is Nepal. Which among the following spreads from Sasaram and Rohtas in western Bihar to Chittorgarh in Rajasthan? Western Bihar to Chittorgarh in Rajasthan particularly. It is Vindhyan system. We'll see this one, the answer. जो देखिए लाल बकेया, बागमती and Kamla rivers in India shares with Nepal. जदि मैं ये डायग्राम को और भी क्लैरिटी हो Lal Bakia, Kamla and Bagmati. These are the rivers. Lal Bakia, Kamla and Bagmati. These are all attached to your UP and Bihar. Nepal जो है particularly ये सब rivers करा UP और Bihar state रे समाने bordering करछन UP और Bihar रे है ना. They are the adjacent with the Nepal particularly. And Ganga flows through this one. The government of India now, the government of India is taking initiatives to, government of India is taking initiatives to, particularly taking initiatives to discharge water to discharge water for the production of HEP, hydroelectric power productions, discharge water for the hydroelectric power productions. Okay. And maximum यदि हमें देखिए कि ये जो power production होची, this is not only for benefits for India also, माने Indian states like power distribution, also it helping to the Nepal and adjoining area. Nepal particularly, Nepal, Sikkim states रे Nepal, Bhutan की to particularly Nepal, Sikkim, Bhutan भी तंगु रहा होची सिक्किम. यदि हमें स्टेट बेनिफिट पाउछुदी इमीडिएट स्टेट्स ऊपर यूपी, बिहार आउ सिक्किम या पटे ये देखियो इट इज आल्सो कंट्री विथ नेपाल आउ Bhutan. These are the government of this is the joint venture. This product is your joint venture of your government of India and the government of Nepal. Government of India or government of Nepal the joint initiatives. This one. अच्छा नेक्स्ट यदि हम देखिए जब कुछ विंध्या रेंजेस है ना, विंध्या रेंजेस स्ट्रेचेस फ्रॉम Sasaram and Rohtas in western Bihar to Chittorgarh in Rajasthan. Sasaram and Rohtas, these are in the Bihar and they spread into your Rajasthan. These rocks came into existence after Kadapa rocks. After Kadapa rocks, these are sedimentary rocks which are built from sandstone, shale and limestone. Sedimentary rocks, those are built from your sandstone, shale and limestone. Sandstone, shale and limestone particularly. जदि मैं पन्नु चाहूरी हमर क्लैरिटी हो एटी विंध्यास जदि मैं देखिए विंध्यास इज फ्लोइंग अक्रॉस देयर है स्प्रेडिंग विंध्यास फ्लो करछे दिस इज विंध्या sandstone shale and limestone particularly sandstone shale and limestone विंध्यान करछे and विंध्यार जो स्प्रेड टा है वेस्टर्न बिहार रो चित्तौड़गढ़ इन राजस्थान particularly है वेस्टर्न गो टू चित्तौड़गढ़ इन राजस्थान विंध्यान सिस्टम विंध्या को वन ऑफ द ओल्ड fold mountain Vindhya is the old fold mountain system of India है जदि कि बट जदि हम अरावली केस रे देखियो इट इज द ओल्डेस्ट फोल्ड माउंटेन है इट इज द ओल्डेस्ट फोल्ड oldest fold mountain in India oldest fold mountain oldest fold mountain in India particularly oldest fold mountain रे जीवो your है Aravalli oldest fold mountain है your Aravalli is going this one ठीक अछि next consider the following ultra mega power projects and the respective states के तलैया ससन मध्य प्रदेश बेड़ाभाल झारखंड which of the following is correctly matched है तलैया Odisha ससन मध्य प्रदेश बेड़ाभाल झारखंड your correct one is your ससन मध्य प्रदेश this is wrong है तलैया and बेड़ाभाल these are wrong only ससन मध्य प्रदेश is correct ultra mega power projects देखिए are very large size projects which are approximately 4000 megawatt each capacity they are approximately 4000 megawatt approximately Talaya ultra mega project in Jharkhand was recently in news as it was abandoned by your original owner K Talaya mega power that is your Reliance Power Rachitara original and is likely to be auctioned after Bedabahal EMPP is located near the Sundargarh district of Odisha. It is near the Sundargarh district of Odisha. Bedabahal project. Yeah, Talaya. Tilaya mega power project that is Bedabahal district of your Sundargarh district of Odisha. बेड़ाभाल मेगा पावर प्रोजेक्ट सुंदरगढ़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट है बहुत बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट है एंड एटी जदि हमें देखिबो जस्ट उल्टा बेड़ाभाल ओडिसा तलैया हला झारखंड है पंचित रिवर ऊपर तलैया जो अच्छी इट इज ऑन द पंचित रिवर ऊपर तलैया योर तलैया डैम अच्छी एंड बेड़ाभाल अच्छी ओडिशा रा ठीक अछि this is UMPP माने वर्तमान इंडिया अल्ट्रा मेगा पावर प्रोजेक्ट जोटा होची दैट बेनिफिट्स केवल तमरा रोहनी इरिगेशंस को नेकी हैला कि पावर हैला इरिगेशंस रोहनी आल्सो द पावर प्रोडक्शंस हैला आल्सो द पावर प्रोडक्शंस को होची इरिगेशन और पावर प्रोडक्शंस को भी तमरा होची ठीक अच्छे आज ताले एतिकी विल मीट अगेन इन द coming new year and I wish you all of you a great happy new year and wish you all good wishes and all success comes to you